When considering kitchen renovations near me, Kitchener-Waterloo, one of the first questions that pops up is, what will it cost? It's a valid concern because budgeting accurately can make or break your renovation experience. The cost of kitchen renovations in the Kitchener-Waterloo area can vary significantly based on factors like the size of your kitchen, the quality of materials you choose, and whether you're planning a full-scale overhaul or just a cosmetic refresh. Understanding these nuances is crucial for homeowners here, where local market conditions and contractor availability can also influence pricing. In this article, we'll break down the elements that contribute to a realistic kitchen renovation budget. We'll cover everything from material choices to labor costs and unexpected expenses that might pop up along the way. Whether you're dreaming of a gourmet chef's kitchen or a cozy, efficient space for family meals, setting a realistic budget is your first step toward turning that dream into reality. So let's dive into the details and help you plan a renovation that not only meets your needs, but also aligns with your financial situation. By the end of this post, you'll have a clearer picture of what to expect and how to prepare for your upcoming project. Understanding the average costs of kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo. Renovating a kitchen is a significant investment that can enhance the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your home. In Kitchener-Waterloo, the cost of kitchen renovations can vary widely depending on the size of your kitchen, the quality of materials you choose, and the scope of the renovation. On average, a mid-range kitchen renovation in this area might cost between $25,000 and $50,000. This range typically includes new cabinetry, countertops, flooring, and appliances. However, if you're looking for a more luxurious update with high-end finishes, the price can exceed $75,000. Several factors influence the overall cost of a kitchen renovation. Labor is a significant component, and hiring skilled tradespeople in Kitchener-Waterloo can account for about 30 to 40% of your total budget. Materials are another major expense. While opting for budget-friendly materials can help reduce costs, investing in durable and aesthetically pleasing options can add long-term value to your home. Additionally, if your renovation involves structural changes or relocating plumbing and electrical fixtures, expect these aspects to increase your overall expenses. To ensure your kitchen renovation is both cost-effective and meets your needs, consider the following practical tips. By understanding the average costs and making informed choices, Kitchener-Waterloo homeowners can achieve a beautiful and functional kitchen renovation that aligns with their budget and lifestyle. How to choose local contractors for your Kitchener-Waterloo kitchen remodel. Embarking on a kitchen renovation can be both exciting and daunting, especially when considering the multitude of contractors available in the Kitchener-Waterloo area. Choosing the right local contractor is crucial to ensuring your kitchen remodel is completed on time, within budget, and to your specifications. A good starting point is to look for contractors with strong local reputations and a proven track record in kitchen renovations near me, Kitchener-Waterloo. The local expertise ensures that the contractor is familiar with regional building codes and has established relationships with local suppliers, which can be advantageous in terms of cost and logistics. When selecting a contractor, it's important to weigh the trade-offs between cost, quality, and timeline. While it might be tempting to choose the lowest bid, remember that this could lead to compromises on quality or unexpected costs down the line. Conversely, the highest bid doesn't always guarantee the best results. Instead, focus on finding a contractor who offers a balanced proposal with clear terms. Kitchen and bath Reno guys, for instance, are known for providing detailed quotes and timelines, which can help you set realistic expectations for your renovation project. Budget-friendly kitchen design ideas for Kitchener-Waterloo homes. Renovating a kitchen can be a significant investment, but with the right approach, you can achieve a stylish and functional space without breaking the bank. For homeowners in the Kitchener-Waterloo area, understanding local trends and material availability can help optimize your budget. Whether you're in the heart of Kitchener, the University District of Waterloo, or the charming city of Cambridge, these practical tips can make your kitchen renovation both affordable and appealing. One of the most cost-effective ways to refresh your kitchen is by focusing on cosmetic upgrades. Instead of gutting the entire space, consider painting existing cabinets or replacing hardware to give them a fresh look. Opt for neutral colors that are popular in the region, as they provide a timeless appeal and increase your home's resale value. Additionally, investing in energy-efficient appliances not only reduces long-term costs, but also aligns with the community's growing emphasis on sustainability. Navigating permit requirements for kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo. When considering kitchen renovations near me in Kitchener-Waterloo, understanding the permit requirements is crucial to avoid potential legal issues and to ensure your project runs smoothly. In Kitchener-Waterloo, most kitchen renovations will require a building permit, especially if you're making structural changes, altering the plumbing, or modifying electrical systems. It's essential to consult with local authorities or a professional renovation contractor to determine the specific permits needed for your project. Securing the proper permits might seem like a daunting task, but it's a vital part of the renovation process that helps ensure your kitchen remodel complies with local building codes, which are designed to protect your safety and property value. Failure to obtain the necessary permits can result in fines, delays, or even needing to undo the completed work. Therefore, factoring permit costs and application times into your renovation budget and timeline is a wise move. In Kitchener-Waterloo, the process can vary slightly between Kitchener and Waterloo, so it's important to verify the exact requirements with your municipal office. How costs compare across Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge. When planning kitchen renovations near me in Kitchener-Waterloo, it's essential to recognize that costs can vary significantly depending on the city. In Kitchener, where many homes date back to the pre-1960s, homeowners can expect to pay between $25,000 and $50,000 for a typical kitchen remodel. This range accounts for the potential need to upgrade old plumbing and electrical systems, which can add to the overall cost. In Waterloo, the majority of homes were built post-1980s, leading to a more predictable pricing range for kitchen renovations. Homeowners in Waterloo can anticipate spending between $20,000 and $45,000. The newer construction means fewer surprises in terms of outdated infrastructure, making it easier to control costs while achieving a modern kitchen design. Meanwhile, in Cambridge, particularly in the historic areas of Galt, Hespeler, and Preston, the age of the housing stock can again drive costs higher. Renovating a kitchen in Cambridge can cost anywhere from $28,000 to $55,000. The charm of these century-old homes often comes with hidden challenges in their structural and mechanical systems, necessitating more comprehensive updates during renovations. Ready to transform your kitchen but unsure about the budget? Let Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys Kitchener-Waterloo guide you through a realistic plan tailored to your needs. Whether you're dreaming of a full remodel